think frugal innovation, I think, was really proved at a huge scale, right? And I think India has this inherent DNA to innovate in a frugal way. We should invest in building models which are India specific. I'm sure there is enough work that government is doing. There is private-public partnerships, because eventually AI is becoming like a big power that countries can have, right? So it might be an open source. Llama could be an open source. DeepSeek is an open source. But will it be like that forever? If this becomes the biggest battleground, then would countries not get a lot more protective about leveraging their technology in other locations? So I think if you want to create a long-term competitive advantage, we should continue to invest and build our own models. Today, I think we need a lot of cognitive energy of people is going and doing a lot of routine things, right? If you even take any executive, like a CEO, for example, do we really need to do all those things, or can that be done with? Everyone can build a small generative AI assistants and keep teaching it, right? Today, you may be doing a podcast with me, but you have a knowledge base over the last many years. Maybe all the knowledge that you've read, books that you've read, podcasts that you've listened, they can all be taught to an assistant. And that makes you a lot more productive. It makes me as a CEO a lot more productive. Maybe I can do my job without having to spend the long hours. I can do it in much shorter time. And I think it's a good, it does help you to build a better work-life balance. The most important thing that has not changed is your ability to deal with people, right? I mean, people are people. I don't think the emotional aspects, the empathy aspects has changed. I mean, that will remain probably for perpetuity, and that remains the same.
It's VK, pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.